what we do is same thing. Draw the axis out. Markers are the vertical asymptote, so this one vertical asymptote, draw it down. X equals to 2. Minimum point is 3, 0. Then dy dx is 2. This is 2. This is y, this is x. Should be okay. Then this is approaching m equals to 2. Then this is m positive infinity. Okay, anyway, this is positive gradient. Positive gradient, so it's here. This is also positive. So it's here. And this is negative. So this is m. This is steeper than 2, obviously. So m, like for example 2.01. So it will be hover above y equals to 2. Okay. So this case here will be like that. We hovering above it, so it's here to infinity. Okay, then this is m negative infinity to 0. Then this one m is 0. This m tends to 2. Okay, there you go. Should be quite okay lah. These are all pretty standard graph that will come out in prelims.